Hey guys, Jay here. I don't know if you guys find it annoying, but a lot of the themes come with these default social icons, which only include Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, Google Plus. Never use that one, and RSS feeds. Now I'm using Divi theme, so this is what the backend would look like in your Divi theme options. It gives you the options for Facebook, Twitter, Google, and RSS. And then here's your little profile that you put in here. Like lots of people have Facebook, you might have Twitter, you probably aren't going to have Google Plus, and you're not going to have RSS, so you can just usually block those out, but then it leaves an empty space right here, and it would be nice to utilize those and maybe put, say, an Etsy icon or, I don't know, a LinkedIn icon. Now here's how we're going to do it. So if you want just the basic icons, then you can look here, and these are the ones that Divi comes with. I'm going to put the link in the description below. So you can just look through here, down below, you keep going down. Where are they? It's a long page. Yeah, so you scroll down until you find these icons down here, and this is the code we're going to need for later on. But say you can't find what you're looking for there, then you can go to FontAwesome, so FontAwesome.com. You can get the free edition, and this is a pretty widely used toolkit. So you can try to right away when you get to the page, the first thing that it's going to offer you is, of course, the updated version. But what I'm going to need anyways is the version 4.7. I wasn't having much luck with the version 5.1 or whatever it's on now, so I wanted the version 4.7 down at the bottom. Now, if you scroll, or if you see here, you're going to see the Get Started button. You then, from here, you put in your email address, and then it will send you the code to put in the header. So now, say you got the code in your email, you're gonna put that code right there into your header, where it says head in the integration section within the Divi theme options. Again, or I didn't really mention it, so not really again, but my back end of WordPress is going to look a little bit different than yours because I'm running on WP Sphere. I'll put the link in the bottom there. I don't really like the normal WordPress theme, and it's not very nice for clients, so this one looks a little flashier, and yeah, it just looks nicer. And you can customize everything along the side and whatnot. Alright, so we put in that, and now what we're going to do is we're going to first grab the CSS code that we're needing. So say we don't need Twitter. Going to right click on it, inspect. I'm using Google Chrome. There's usually an inspector tool for whatever browser you're using these days. And so it automatically goes to the link. Well, it usually does. So the a-icon. Click the down, and then you're gonna want to hit the before. You see down here, this is the number that we're gonna replace. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy that and paste it into the CSS section. I like having a plugin for CSS, but you can always put it in the general section here on Divi at the bottom of your theme options. So we're going to go to the CSS. I've got everything filled out already, and I'm going to put the code in the description, of course. So what it is, Twitter, I'm going to change to Instagram. Instagram's just found here in the Elegant Themes one that's already built in. So the code for that is going to be just content / and then the number after the number sign. Okay, let's just say I want to change it to the cell phone. Then I copy the XE whatever and before the semicolon. I then go over here. I change that to yeah, happens then. The ones we're gonna show are saying that we want something off of FontAwesome. So what we're gonna do is then search icons from there. I'll put the link to the icon gallery for FontAwesome down below as well. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to search Etsy. Click that. Now one thing that's important is if your icon that you choose isn't working, then you might be on a different version number. So remember, we have version number 4.7 that we're running on, so we can use this icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this Unicode, I guess they're called. So copy that. That's always what we're looking for, and I guess it's 4 digits that we're looking for. So after the X or whatever, we're on this. Yeah, it's always after the X. I had it screwed up there. So yeah, it already has everything that you need though there. So now we're gonna go back to the CSS. I've already got it filled in, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm changing it to Etsy. Yeah, I guess I am. Alright, so I already have it there. So you have to make sure you always put the important attribute after the icon, and you have to make sure, so now that we're on FontAwesome, we have to put down font family FontAwesome important. Before, when it was just using a Divi theme icon, we didn't have to do the font family because it already comes with it. So yeah, that's gonna work, and then I changed this one, I think, to a hand or something like that. I'll grab something else so you can see what I'm... Let's do the anchor. Oh, yeah, check out the version 3.1, so we're definitely good. Copy that Unicode, bring it over here, just put it where that is. Update. There we go, everything's there. Etsy, the anchor, cell phone, and Facebook. And then all you have to do is just remember that the cell phone, when you're putting in all your your URLs, remember that Facebook is actually your cell phone, Twitter is actually Etsy, and RSS is actually the anchor. So yeah, you'll just have to remember that for this section here. Yeah, that's it for the video. If you liked it, then give me a thumbs up or like it or whatever there is on YouTube. And if you didn't, or if you have any questions, then leave it in the comments, and I will, yeah, try to improve on the next one or come up with more. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on things you want to learn, then let me know as well, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, have a